Hi everyone, here's an update on the car. Sorry it's been so long, I've just had a lot going on and some setbacks as well, which I'll tell you about. So since the last video, firstly the badges and the trim is back on the boot. I've replaced the lower bumper insert, so that's all brand new, that looks lovely. And I've also changed that door as well now, so that's got the new door on there. Also with changing the door, I found that the original lock on there was seized, so I've replaced that. So now the central locking works, but the keys don't work in the locks, so I need to get some new locks that will then otherwise activate the locking. So it locks from the inside, but I can't lock it if I'm leaving it somewhere, if that makes sense. So there's that. So I did that, and then I had to do the ABS light for the MOT. So I began by replacing both the front wheel sensors, which was a fun task. The one on the driver's side here had been replaced before, but the one on this side hadn't been replaced, and it was a little bit of a fight to get out. There's two Allen keys to undo it on the hub, but once I got it out, it was caked in all, I don't know what. So I think that was probably partly the reason, I don't know. So I replaced that, and it didn't fix the light. Brought it back round, popped it back in here because I was in the workshop doing that. Came in the next morning and there was a big old puddle of coolant on the floor underneath the car. So after some investigation, it didn't take long, realised that the water pump had gone. So I'll just pop the bonnet to show you. So then, so that was an unplanned bit of maintenance work there. So I looked up a new water pump. A new one on eBay was like £100. But then I managed to get one from Mercedes main dealer with a staff rate. It worked out 160 with the old one going back. So I replaced that, so it's dirtier. I haven't cleaned under the bonnet because I'm scared of the wiring loom and messing something up. So there's that. So I don't know if you can see the shiny new bit down there. That's the water pump there. So it was a huge challenge for me. Probably a bit more than an amateur mechanic can deal with, but luckily I had some people to help me. But it took from about 10 o'clock Saturday till about 5 o'clock to get it all back together, because it's not an easy location to work in there. So I got that all back together. That's all appears to be fine, fingers crossed. Coolant, yes, I know it's the pink coolant, but yeah, anyway. But now the belt's making a noise. It needs a new belt, but I didn't order the belt because when I asked, they said there's 2 lengths. But now I'll just order both and then fit one of them on Saturday, whichever one fits. So there was that. So that's now done. Fingers crossed again, hopefully. Then the ABS light, I decided to replace, was told to try the over voltage relay back here. So I bought a brand new one of those from Mercedes, another £100. Didn't work, no change. So then after that I thought, well, I've done the sensors, I've done this over voltage relay, so I'm going to do the control unit. So that's what I've just done. I've just replaced the control unit and the light is off. So pleased about that, hopefully it stays off. So now it could potentially get an MOT. So I just need to replace the belt because the belt's a bit noisy, and then yeah, try and put it for an MOT. So there's that, so we've done that. As I said before, I polished up the front bumper, which doesn't look bad actually, and especially on camera, but I'm hoping to get that painted because I thought the insert on the back's been painted, insert on the front, it all balances. I think it's looking pretty good now. So there's that and that. The rear window, as you'll see, because I've got some lovely masking tape on it at the moment, I ordered some window regulators. I wasn't at home and they tried to deliver it 3 times, so then they sent it back, so the guy refunded me. Then I ordered another 2 because the original guy wasn't showing any available, and then they contacted me and said that one of them was damaged in the factory or something. So so then I cancelled that, so I'm still no window regulators, so I need to get on and fix that basically. So I've got that to do. So what's the plan now? So yeah, MOT, window regulators. I've got the brake hoses. So I've just got to do the brake hoses and another brake fluid change. Still got the gearbox service to do, so I'll do that. All the bits are in the boot for that. Then I've got to clean underneath, treat it, and then under seal it with lano guard, whatever it's called. do that, and then big polish, final big polish, and then they'll probably be using salt on the road, so I won't be able to use it. So that'll probably be that. So there's that, but yeah, it's looking good, it's going all right, some positives, some negatives, but it's a project at the end of the day. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, oh yeah, I've got to get the locks as well, because it's pretty important that you're able to lock the car, I think. So there's that. Thank you very much for watching. So it's a bit of a long video, but it's been a while. Thanks a lot. Bye.